The Honda Place Ghana Limited was established in the year 2001, some 18 years ago. And we established the company very easily through the Ghana Investment Promotion Center. We had no difficulties establishing the company.
Nous sommes venus au Ghana parce que nous croyons dans ce pays. C'est un pays qui a un très fort potentiel. C'est la deuxième économie de la région, après le Nigeria.
The main attraction, I think, of Ghana is that the people are very, very friendly, that it is safe. Without any hesitation, I can recommend Ghana. Is it the preferred destination? That totally depends in which area you are.
Alors le GIPC, j'allais dire, est juste central. Il est clé. C'est un peu l'interface finalement entre le gouvernement ghanéen et sa politique économique et de l'autre côté les investisseurs et les opérateurs économiques qui veulent s'installer ou faire du business avec le Ghana. Donc n'hésitez pas, venez, investissez. Vous avez un beau pays où vous pouvez vraiment vous épanouir.
Ghana has been a very good location for us to run our business. Ghana is politically stable with a very friendly people. And for us, my colleagues and I, it's very easy for us to travel around in the region. There are good connecting flights, and within the ECOWAS, my Ghanaian colleagues, they can easily travel around to other countries.
Our presence here in Ghana is 90 years old. Ghana's got everything going for it. We have a very business-friendly government here. GIPC, very helpful to new investors. The peaceful climate of Ghana makes it a very attractive destination indeed.
Ces activités au Ghana en 2003 avec une centaine d'hectares sur la banane. D'accord. Et donc aujourd'hui, nous sommes à 1100 hectares de bananes conventionnelles, 600 hectares de bananes bio et un peu plus de 100 hectares d'ananas exporter tous ces fruits vers l'Europe. Ayant personnellement et professionnellement quelques expériences dans d'autres pays en Afrique, le Ghana est, je vais le dire en anglais, the place to be.
In Ghana, when we get together, we don't talk about what is the crime rate. We don't talk about what disturbance is happening at the borders of the country. But we talk about which are the next projects we are embarking upon. How can we industrialize the nation? How can we grow our individual businesses and how can we grow the economy of this country?
CFO Ghana Limited est le distributeur officiel de véhicules de marque Suzuki, Mitsubishi et Citroën, ainsi que des motos Suzuki et des moteurs marins Suzuki. CFO Ghana Limited s'est implanté au Ghana il y a 110 ans, en 1909. À l'époque, le marché était forcément bien différent de ce qu'il est aujourd'hui, mais depuis lors, le marché n'a cessé d'évoluer et nous sommes aujourd'hui tout à fait satisfaits d'être dans ce marché prometteur.
I'm the CEO of BFAPLUS Group of Companies, and beside that we have DPSI International School plus FG Developers, which is a development company. Ghana is a beautiful place to be. Geographically, it is the best location. The people are nice, they are welcoming. The government is very supportive about the industrial aspect. The government initiative of 1D, 1F and Made in Ghana, I think that is a wonderful initiative. We have a lot to do in Ghana. If you talk about different aspects like tourism industry, different infrastructure industry, service industry, I think there's a big scope in Ghana, and I think if someone can tap in, there's a lot.